اللي جنبنا كانت واخداه. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear students. Today, inshallah, we will continue talking about fractions and ordering fractions. We studied before how to compare two fractions having the same numerator, having the same denominator, or completely different. Today, we're gonna study how to compare not two fractions, but more than two fractions. It will be how to order fractions. So today, how to order fractions how to get the order, which one will be the first, which one will be the second and third, and so on. We studied ordering before in grade 2, so it will be so easy, inshallah, to order fractions. Okay, if you have three fractions like this, if you have three fractions like this, 3 over 6, 1 over 6, and 5 over 6, we're gonna start as he asked. Here he asked to order the three fraction from least to greatest. He said from least to greatest. So the question here is, which one is the least fraction? Which one is the smallest? Which one is the smallest fraction? Okay, I can see here that three fractions have the same number down, 6, 6, 6. So let's look to the numerator. Numerator. 3, 1, and 5. Which is the least one? The least one is 1 out of 6. 1 over 6 will be the least one. So we're going to start with 1 over 6 here. This is 1 over 6. Or we can use the number line. We can divide this into 1 over 6, 2 over 6, then 3 over 6, 4 over 6, and 5 over 6, like this. And 1, of course, will be 6 out of 6. Okay, so we can circle the three fractions that we need: 1 over 6, 3 over 6, and 5 over 6, like this. So which one on the left will be the least fraction? 1 out of 6, 1 over 6. Then going to right, we're gonna find 3 over 6, like this. And finally, the greatest fraction is 5 over 6. It is so easy, like the previous lessons. We studied that before, so it will be like a piece of cake for all of you. Okay, if you have plot the fractions on the number line, all three fractions have the same denominator, 8. Okay, so what are the three fractions that we have here are 7 over 8, 1 over 8, and 5 over 8. Okay, so let's divide the distance from 0 to 1 into 8 equal parts, like this. And we're gonna start with 1 over 8, then 2 over 8, 3 over 8, 4 over 8, 5, 6, 7, then 1. It will be 8 over 8. And we're gonna circle the three fractions that we have here. 7 over 8 will be circled, 1 over 8 also, like this, and 5 over 8, like this. We have three fractions. Which one we're gonna start from? Let's see the question. What is the question says? What is the question say? All three fractions have the same denominator. He said order the fraction from least to greatest. The question from least to greatest. So from least, which is least? So the least, which will comes first, going to right, which one comes first? 1 over 8. 1 over 8. So this is the first fraction, the least fraction. Then we're gonna find 5 over 8. And finally, the greatest fraction is 7 over 8. Okay, so we can use the number line, or we can do it by ourselves without using the number line. We know that the least fraction out of the three fractions are given. So the least one is 1 over 8. The least is 1 over 8. Then 5 over 8, then 7 over 8. Okay, so it is so easy to order fractions. We can use also the fraction steps, but it will be a little bit not direct. It will be like too long, or it will be a little bit longer. So we can use any way to order fractions. Now I need you, please, to help me to order the question in number 1. And let's start with who. Just raise your hands, please, to answer. Raise your hands to answer. I will choose just who raise his hand. Who raise his hand, I will choose him only. Okay, let's start with okay. Ahmad Fawzi.
Yes, mister.
How are you, Ahmad?
Fine, thank you.
Ahmad, here we have three fractions, but with different denominators. Okay, but the question says order from least to greatest. So in your
Yes,
opinion,
mister.
one will be the least fraction. You have the same numerator, by the way, for the three fractions.
Yes, I know. Uh, 3, fraction 3 is the first.
All of them are fraction 3. 3 over what?
3 over 3.
3 over 3 is the least.
Yes, the
Okay,
least.
let me remember you. We said before, if we have the same numerator, numerator means up, the number up, okay? If we have the same
Yes,
numerator, look down, we said fewer or smaller denominator means a greater fraction. So smaller denominator is 3, the smallest one is 3, right?
yes,
So it is the greatest fraction, not the least one, the greatest. So as you said, 3 over 3 will be the greatest, not the least. And you know that 3 over 3 equals what, ya Ahmed?
3 over 3 equals 6.
Equals 6.
No,
3 divided.
3 divided. 3 divided 3 divided 3
Yes,
equal
equal 1.
1.
So this is 1. 1 is the greatest among these fractions. So then we have 3 over 4. We finished this one. Let's cancel it. Let's make a dash like this or cancellation like this. Now we have 3 over 4 or 3 over 8. Which is greater?
3 over 4.
3 over 4 is greater. So let's put it in the middle. Let's put it in the middle, 3 over 4. And the least one is the last one. 3 over
8.
3 over 8. Excellent. Now we can say we can summarize that easily. We said before greatest or greater denominator means smallest fraction. So greatest denominator means smallest. Denominator means greatest fraction, or greatest denominator means the smallest fraction. Greatest denominator among the three fractions is 8. So 3 over 8 will be the least fraction. Then over 4, then over 3. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, Ahmed, thank you. Well done. Okay, then let's ask Marwan Amr.
Yes, sir.
Marwan, next question number 2. We need to compare, or we need to order from least to greatest. You have
1 over
to write
3.
the question, to read the question well. So the question from least to greatest, from the smallest to the biggest.
Okay. 1 over 6.
1 over
5
6,
over 6.
excellent. Then 5 over 6, excellent. Then the final, the last one, 6 over 6. And 6 over 6 equals what, ya Marwan?
What?
6 over 6 equals what? This fraction here.
Oh, yes.
6 over 6 equals what? 6 divided by 6. 6 divided by 6. It's from grade 2, yeah, Marwan.
36.
1. Any number over itself equal 1.
You say divide or multiply?
Divide, divide. It is divide. And the fraction is divide. We divide
I
up by down. So it is 1
I thought
divided by
you
6.
that you say divide.
Divide, yeah, divide. Yeah. Okay, Marwan, excellent. You ordered correctly. Thank you. Next, Farouk.
Yes, Master.
Farouk, how are you?
Fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm fine also, thank you.
Mister, before
Yes,
I answer, I want to tell you something.
tell me. Okay.
You didn't choose me in Wednesday and Thursday.
Wednesday and Thursday. So today I remember that I didn't hear your voice for a while. So could you answer this question?
Okay.
Okay, this is like satisfying for you.
Yes.
Okay. So we have the same numerators or the same denominators?
The same numerator.
Numerators, excellent. So we're gonna follow the rule that says the
The least,
greatest, yeah, or the smallest denominator means the greatest fraction.
the least is 3 over 3.
3 over 3. 3 over 3 is the greatest denominator means the least fraction. Excellent. Will be 3 over 3.
And the second
Then
is 3 over 2.
3 over 2. Perfect.
And the greater is 3 over 1.
The greatest one is 3 over 1. Excellent. Okay, so could I tell you that this fraction is 3 divided by 1. 3 divided by 1 equals what? 3 divided 1.
Equals 3.
3. Excellent. So this is 3. And this one is 3 divided by 3 equals 1.
1.
So 1. Then this one will be 2.5. This one will be 2.5. So 1, then 2.5, then 3. It is uh, exactly correct. Okay, Farouk. Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, then Amr Ibrahim.
Yes, Miss.
Amr, next question,
Mister,
please.
before I answer, can I tell you something?
Of course.
Can I be the first tomorrow?
Tomorrow. Okay, let me note that. My memory is so bad, so I have to note that, not to forget. This is 3A.
Yes, 3A.
Yes. So, okay. 3A. And this is Amr.
Because it is the first time for me to be the first, so I tell you.
Okay, no problem. Okay, tomorrow, inshallah, you will be the first. No problem. Amr, could you tell me, here we have a number 4, 4 over 4, and 0 over 4, and 3 over 4. Which one will be the least?
0 over 4, because it will
Excellent.
be 0.
It will be 0. It will be nothing. So nothing is the least, of course. So then after 0 over 4,
3 over 4.
3 over 4.
Then
Excellent.
4 over 4, the whole fraction.
The whole, yeah, the one whole. You are amazing, yeah, Amr. You did great. Thank you.
Welcome.
And let's ask Abdullah Ammar.
Hi, Mister.
How are you, Abdullah?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
But before I answer, can I be after Amr?
No problem, Abdullah Ammar. Okay. Abdullah.
Okay.
Okay. Now, could you tell me how to answer number 5?
Yeah.
Which one will be the least?
the least 1. 6 over 1.
6 over 1 will be the least.
Yeah.
You have, Abdullah, you have the same numerators or denominators?
Not the same. No.
No. We have the same what? The same what? Numerators or denominators?
Denominator.
Why? They are up, equal, up. 6, 6, 6. They are equal numerators. Up, it is numerator. So we have equal numerators. So the rule says the greatest denominator is the least fraction, or the smallest denominator is the greatest fraction. So tell me which one is the least fraction?
6 over 8.
6 over 8. Excellent. 6 over 8. The greatest denominator means the least fraction.
Yeah.
Okay, then
Then 6 over 6.
6 over 6. Excellent. It is 1.
1.
Then
6 over 1.
and the 6 over 1 is
6 over 1 is
6 divided by 1 equal
6.
6. Excellent. So we ordered correctly. So the fraction, then 1, then 6. It is like this. It is correct and it is like perfect. Okay. Thank you, Abdullah.
You're welcome.
Okay. Let's go to.
Mister, you opened my mic again.
Okay, no problem, ya Abdullah. Thank you. And let's ask Omar Mahmoud.
Mister, what's the matter? You're open.
I missed it.
How are you, Omar?
I'm fine.
Okay, Omar, next question is, I need you to
What
focus.
is the fraction from greatest to least?
Yeah, to least. Now we need
6
the
over
great
8, 6 over 8, and 4 over 8,
Excellent.
then 3 over 8,
greatest. Now 4 over 8, then
and 3 over 8.
over 8. Excellent. From greatest to the least.
Mister, can I answer tomorrow second one?
No, the second one will be Abdullah, as I remember. Abdullah Ammar.
Can I be third one?
Okay. Omar Mahmoud, no problem. Okay, yeah, Omar, thank you. Let's write down. Okay, now let's ask Tuhami. Tuhami, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Tuhami, next question is order from the greatest to the least. I need you to focus. From the greatest to the least. So which one out of these fractions is the greatest one?
The great one is 2 out of 1.
2 out of 1. Excellent. 2 out of 1 is 2, and it is the greatest fraction. So it will be 2 over 1 firstly. Then after 2 over 1?
2 over 4.
2 over 4. Yeah, and then?
2 over 6.
2 over 6. Excellent. Yeah, Tuhami. Well done. And let's ask Adam Abdul Salam, who will be the last one. Adam?
Yes.
Are you Adam?
Fine, Mr. What about you?
I'm fine also. Thank you.
So
Adam,
before
here.
I answer,
Yeah.
be the fourth one tomorrow.
Fourth one. Okay, no problem. It is Adam Abdul Salam. No problem. Okay, the question that I need is number 9. Will
Okay.
be a good one. No, we have to write a fraction that is included between 2 over 8 and 2 over 3.
2 over 2.
2 over 2?
Yeah.
Not 2 over 2. 2 over 2 is 1.
Yeah.
Of course not. We
We
need
can
a number
make it.
between 8 and 3 down. So it will be 2 also. We have 2 also over
Any
number between 8 and 3.
2 over 4.
2 over 4 will be correct. 2 over another one. 2 over
5.
5. 2 over 6. 2 over
Yeah.
7. All of these fractions are correct. Okay, Adam, thank you.
Yeah.
And by this question, I need to say thank you all. And I need to say that I love you so much, all of you. Have a nice day and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Bye-bye.